Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to take out a dash here, like this whole piece here. First, on my car, I have to remove this little piece here. I just pull on it back. Now, I decided to make a video out of this as soon as I took it out, so I'm just kind of leaving some parts out. But there's bolts in here and here, and I took them out. They're a T25 wrench sized. And then when you get it out, or to get it out, you have to pull behind it or push on the back of this piece here, and then it comes out. Okay, when it comes out, there'll be connections right here and on the other side too. To get this out, you're gonna pull up on this clip here, and it pulls up to about here, and then you just pull it out. This side's all out, that clip's flipped up. Same to this side now. Oops, sorry, dash fell over. Do this side now. Alright, after both other connections are out, we're gonna pull it out like this. Flips up, or no, it goes this way. Pull it back towards you. After you pull it back, you steer me all the way. It picks up and you just take it right out. Okay, when it's out, it kind of looks like this. You remove these 4 bolts here, and then you can do whatever you wanted. I took out the beeper sensor thing here. I just removed the little strings and then the rubber piece thing. Alright, and then to put it back in, we're just gonna go like this, and then you're gonna wiggle it, and then it slides right back into place. And then you're gonna take the clips, you're gonna push them in, and make sure the clips are facing this way so that the teeth are pointed towards you or the dash. And then it slides in, and then when it's going in, you're gonna keep doing that all the way until it clicks. Okay, then when it's done, you'll be able to see where the bolts need to go. Screw them back in, and then tighten them down, but not too tight so it breaks it. Okay, and when that's done, you're gonna grab this piece here, and then it's going to line up into these grooves on each side. And then this thing snaps in place like that. And then hopefully everything goes as well when you plug it in. Or, oh, the camera will slide that way. Okay. And then you're going to start it. And there you guys go. I did this so I don't have a dash beep anymore. As you can hear. Through my radio though. That's the only reason why that came on. It's cool. Awesome.